If you want to download itch.io VR games the right way, this video will walk you through the process step by step so you can find the correct file, check compatibility, and save it to your device without confusion. Whether you are using a PC VR headset or a standalone headset like Quest, the important part is knowing what to look for before you click download. So if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to itch.io. Once you are on the site, use the search bar to look for VR games. You can type in a specific genre, a game title, or just search for VR games to browse what is available. Itch.io has a huge library of indie games, so take your time and find a game that actually supports your platform. After you find a game you want, open the game page. This is where you want to slow down and check the details carefully. Look for the platform information on the page. You are looking for whether the game supports Windows, Android, or VR specifically. This step matters because not every game on itch.io will work on every headset or device. Some games are made for PC VR, while others are made for Quest or Android-based devices. If the game supports your device, look for the download button. Click it to open the available files. On itch.io, developers may upload different file types depending on how the game is meant to be played. If you are using a PC VR setup, you will usually want a .exe or .zip file. A .exe file is typically a Windows installer or launch file, while a .zip file usually contains the game files you need to extract first. If you are using Quest or another compatible Android-based headset, look for a .apk file. That file format is commonly used for standalone headset installs. Make sure you only download the file type that matches your device, because choosing the wrong one can lead to installation problems or files that simply will not open on your headset. Once you have selected the correct file, save it to your computer. If it is a .zip file, you may need to extract it before running the game. If it is a .apk file, you may need to transfer it to your headset or use a sideloading method depending on how you install apps on your device. The exact install process can vary by game, but the main idea is always the same. Check the platform, download the correct file, and save it safely. A quick tip before you download anything: always read the game description and any installation notes from the developer. Some VR games require additional software, special launchers, or specific hardware settings. Taking a minute to read those details can save you a lot of time later. And that's it. You now know how to download itch.io VR games by searching the site, opening the game page, checking platform support, clicking download, and choosing the right file for your device. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.